Anchoring wedge-shaped tension clamp, H2X type models, are suitable for self-supporting aerial or ADSS fiber optic cables, electric cables, and for figure 8-like cables with external load-bearing element. This clamp provides you an ability to fasten the cable without exposing the cable or separating supporting element. The installation does not cause any damage to the sheath. This clamp has several names: wedge-type tension clamp for cable suspension, dead-end clamp, wedge fastening clamp, anchor clamp, and similar. There are a few steps of fastening the cable using this anchor clamp: partial extension of the wedges into the housing, cable insertion, cable clamping, insertion of the steel loop. With the use of this clamp, it is possible to fasten two types of cables: circular cross-section cable and Type 8 cables. Clamp H20, H24, H26, and H28 consists of a plastic frost and UV-resistant body, polymeric wedges, and lube made of hot-dip galvanized steel. Allows any easy manual installation without any tools for building overhead communication lines on utility poles. It fastens by a loop to the utility poles with the help of hooks, brackets, etc. The loop is made of high-quality galvanized steel wire. Wedge-type tension clamps is used for fast fastening of electric and fiber optic cables, ADSS cables, with the following parameters according to the model: H20 for round cables with diameter from 275 to 43, H24 for oval or flat cables with diameter from 315 to 55, H26 for round cables with diameter from 315 to 55, H28 for round cables with diameter from 155 to 27, H28 for self-supporting aerial cables, ADSS or figure 8 suspension cables with external load-bearing element with diameter from 155 to 27. Technical characteristics: maximum spans between fastening points 393 feet, working load up to 2 kN, braking load 2.8 kN, loop thickness 195, operating temperatures -4 to +140 Fahrenheit. Distinctive feature of our clamps is that under extreme conditions, the clamp is destroyed without the damage to the cable, which in some cases prevents line breakage. Our tension clamps are made of high-quality materials and are able to operate under the extreme conditions and loads. It is designed for a fast mounting of self-supporting optical, electrical, and other cables on the utility poles. Cable is not damaged when using this tension anchor clamp, and wedges for an even distribution of a load on the cable sheath for reducing mechanical stress in order to protect cables from tearing during the increased load, icing, falling branches and cables, hurricane, strong wind, etc.